We are all more or less familiar with the words Khalifa and Caliphate. But do we all know the origin and meaning of these words? Maybe not everyone knows. Here, I will try to present to you the issues and history related to the words Khalifa and Caliphate. First, we will try to know about the Caliphate. The word Caliphate is derived from the Arabic word Khilafah, the English meaning of which is succession. It is known that the Caliphate is the Islamic state and government system established after the death of the Prophet of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which represents the leadership and political unity of the Muslim world. Now, we will try to know about the Khalifa. The word Khalifa is derived from the Arabic word Khalifa. Its English meaning is representative, successor, supervisor, person responsible for looking after the people. In Islamic terminology, a Khalifa is a person who guides all the Ummah in all matters according to Sharia. In an Islamic state, a Khalifa is the holder of the highest state power, who appoints people to various important positions including governors, rulers, leaders, judges in different regions of the state. As the head of the Muslim Ummah, the Khalifa is the elected successor of the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is the leader of the believers, or Amir al-Mu'minin. The Khalifa may never abrogate the sacred law of the Holy Quran and Sunnah, but he is the interpreter of the Quran and Sunnah, and his main responsibility and duty is to implement it. Now, we will try to learn about the founder of the Caliphate. In 622 CE, the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, established the first Islamic state in Medina, which is believed to have laid the foundation stone for the Caliphate. After the death of the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the companion Abu Bakr, radhiyallahu, was elected the first Khalifa, and the Rashidun Caliphate was established in 632 CE. The first four Caliphs of Islam are called the Rashidun. The Rashidun Caliphate is the first Caliphate of Islam, which was established after the death of the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The period of this Caliphate was from 632 to 661 CE. The first four Caliphs of the Rashidun Caliphate are called the Khulafa Rashidun. In Arabic, it means the rightly guided or the rightly guided Khalifa, or representative. The names of the first four Caliphs of Islam are Hazrat Abu Bakr, radiyallahu, Hazrat Umar, radiyallahu, Hazrat Usman, radiyallahu, and Hazrat Ali, radiyallahu. These four Caliphs are called the Rashidun Caliphs. Sunni Muslims consider these four Caliphs to be the most honorable and pure Caliphs. The Caliphate established by the four main Caliphs of Islam lasted only 30 years. Then the Umayyad Caliphate was established by the companion Muawiyah. After the fall of the Umayyads, two competing Caliphates were established in 750 CE. One was established by the Abbasids in Baghdad, present-day Iraq, and the other was established by the Umayyads in Spain. In 1258 CE, the Mongol invasion destroyed Baghdad, one of the main capitals of the Caliphate, and the Caliphate was abolished. The Abbasid Caliphate was re-established by the Mamluk rulers of Egypt. Then, in 1517 CE, the Abbasid Mamluk rulers of Egypt transferred the Caliphate to the Sultan of the Ottoman Empire of Turkey, First Selim. As a result, a new Caliphate was established in the 16th century CE under the name Ottoman, and Sultan First Selim became the first Khalifa of the Ottoman Caliphate. It is known that in the continuation of this, Khalifa II Abdul Hamid was removed in 1909 CE through the Young Turk Revolution. In 1918 CE, the Ottoman Caliphate was on the verge of destruction at the hands of the Allied forces of First World War and the Arab revolt nationalists. In 1924 CE, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk formally abolished the Caliphate and established the Republic by exiled the last Khalifa, Second Abdul Majid. It is known that during the Caliphate rule, no Muslim state was considered legally established without the recognition of the Khalifa. And for this reason, the sultans of Delhi and Bengal tried to obtain the recognition of the Abbasid Caliphate. In the 13th to 14th centuries CE, Sultan Shamsuddin al-Tutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq received certificates of accession to the position of sultan. It is also known that Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq received the title of sultan from the Abbasid Caliphate established by the Mamluk ruler of Egypt or the Fatimid Caliphate of Egypt. Whether any sultan of Bengal was recognized as a Khalifa under any caliphate, it is not known for sure. However, it is known that some of the sultans of Bengal engraved the names of the Abbasid Khalifas on their coins. Again, some engraved words of faithfulness to the Khalifa on their coins without mentioning the name. It is also known that later, starting from the second sultan of the Bengal Sultanate, Sikandar Shah, in the 14th century CE, some sultans of Bengal themselves assumed the title of Khalifa. That means they are known to have established a caliphate in Bengal.